it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Hey, guys, today we are with Skippa. Yes, the G, pick up yourself. Skippa with Nawty. It's an official music video. So let's jump in the one and here with the G officer. We now waste not time. Not time now, yes.
Tell us what she want. Hey, rope with them. Crazy.
Rope with them. No, I never pick up yourself. Rich together. Turn it up, Lord, with him.
She want fuck with killers. Come here, bitch, let me bust off the slippers. Her ears done, nails she no wait pan a nigga. And plus her body just big face in maski box. Like a bounce about, and when me done fuck you up, and you patch chase, I say up, me up your mouth.
Yo, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Right? Alright. Never ready for that one. I thought it was gonna start easy like I normally do it. The G never give me no build up. The boss just jump straight into it. Let's go.
Tell us what she want.
Production team, big up on yourself, man.
Crazy, man.
Yeah, man.
Bitch, love,
Turn it up, Lord, ready. Ready? Oh, yeah.
She do
Naughty.
She want fuck with killers. Come here, bitch, let me bust off the slippers.
Come here.
Ears done, nails she no wait pan a nigga. And plus her body just big face in maski.
Yeah, man. Nails done. Ear did. You know wait pan a nigga. You're independent, mama, but you're naughty with it. I like it.
Do naughty. She want fuck with killers.
Yeah.
Come here, bitch, let me bust off the slippers. Her ears done, nails she no wait pan a nigga.
Nope.
And plus her body just big face in maski box. Like a bounce about, and when me done fuck you up, and you patch chase, I say up, me up your mouth. I make me feel your throat, that boy a thief from me young, nobody feel me, bro. I love one life. Like a bounce about, and when me done fuck you up, and you patch chase, I say up, me up your mouth. I make me feel your throat, that boy a thief from me young, nobody feel me, bro. I love one life.
Man said that boy a thief from me young, nobody feel me broke. Lord God. Proud thief. Proud. Thief with a cause, that's what the G promote.
I make me feel your throat, that boy a thief from me young, nobody feel me, bro. I love one life. But she a know the smartest. We see it straight now, yeah, you a dark shit.
Oh, JPS a forward. So I'm tell the same thief from him young. Remember same thief from him young, you know. So him a run, go take off the light off of the light post. Cause JPS a
I make me feel your throat, that boy a thief from me young, nobody feel me, bro. I love one life. But she a know the smartest. We see it straight now, yeah, you a dark shit. Call me if you want a fuck a artist. Big beast now you throat me a pocket. I love a girl with face chat. Who still a
Blood clot, big beast in your throat, me a pocket. Big beast, get it? Big beast in your throat, me a pocket. Now the 4-wheel one goes a boom boom. No.
big beast now you throat me a pocket. I love a girl with face chat. Who still a fuck with me gonna she not afraid for that. She take it out and taste it. Expensive pussy so me pay for that.
Love a girl with face chat. Him fuck with him gun. She not afraid of that. Love a girl with face chat. Expensive pussy, me a pay for that. That's what the G say.
I love a girl with face chat. Who still a fuck with me gonna she not afraid for that. She take it out and taste it. Expensive pussy, so me pay for that. Do naughty. She want fuck with killers. Come here, bitch, let me bust off your slippers. Her ears done, paid by
somebody will work at JPS. So the boss in at the house with a man, girl. A boss a forward one from him 9 to 5. The boss don't tell us a fuck a 9 to 5, him not depend that. So when you there work, the boss there yard at work. So the little boy now spot the play, shot come around the corner, shot past the crowd, and go tell the G what go on. I say, yo, him a come. Them girl outside now, I distract the G. Me blood clot. Feel them get ready and fix up themselves.
Killers, come here, bitch, let me bust off your slippers. Her ears done, paid by a nigga. And plus her body just big for your marky bounce. Like a bounce about, and when me done fuck you up, me up a chase to say up, me up your mouth. I make me feel.
But Claude, the boss suspect something, no man. Oh, could I? Why did I speculate at his JPS? Because the G look like him work for JPS. And look at you did a thief light. I said look to me. But me get it right in the end, so I can't say nothing in the comment section. Moving a bomb clot. That me telling you all I want to do. Binds phone up. Yeah, give me that binds. Binds, yeah.
Paid by a nigga. A plus her body just big for your marky bounce. Like a bounce about, and when me done fuck you up, me up a chase to say up, me up your mouth. I I make me feel a chart.
That's my lip on the face still and say, yo, my apartment, a boy walk forward from, you know. Probably be 2 apartments upstairs, 50 chance, 70 chance, 100% chance of my apartment, the boy walk forward from. That's how the G say, I go up the stairs, you know.
When me done fuck you up, me no purchase myself, me no
Watch your smile pan Skippa face.
I make me feel a chart. That boy a thief from me young, nobody feel my girl. The man ain't nothing for me. I know just start fuck, but this I feel. She says Skippa, I'm done. Cause every time she see me, she get wet. Like you see, she wanna give it. She says she loves star life, high life, beats and fashion.
I say, yo, what the fuck you read them something here for? Where you go? Where you read them something here for? Skippa does live in our world for 9 months. So what you the dog?
She wanna give it. She says she loves star life, high life, beats and fashion. Prada, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton, car that I drive.
Boss find cigarette butt and he knows the girl not smoke. Where the cigarette come from? I ain't not smoke. Where you come from? Problem in the camp. Trouble.
Beats and fashion. Prada, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton, car that I drive, cheap from Roland. So when me press the gas, bitch, better when I go naughty. She wanna fuck with killers. So come a girl, me bust off a slippers. Hair done, nails done, paid by a nigga. Plus a body just big, so make it bounce. Like a bounce about, and when me done fuck you up, me no purchase up, me no pay more. I make me feel up. Crazy man, nighttime though.
Nighttime, man. Outside. No, I never rope them. Big up on yourself. You come from work. Somewhere come from work. Me try to read. Basket you. Your blood clot. Turn it up. Load with him. Big up yourself. Production team. You know what? Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Like that one. Still. Like that one. Skippa. Big up yourself, my G. I'm gonna leave the one right here. So still, if you enjoy that one, I want to see more from the G. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. Click on any of them 2 video for some more Skippa reactions. Alright? I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.